Good hump day to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Wednesday. What I want to make mention of, if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I sure enough want to welcome you. If you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, I got after a project that I've been wanting to do. It's something I wanted, sure enough, to get done in 2019. We finna walk over yonder and I'ma show you. What I wanted to do this year was create a larger run for my hens. And I wanted to accomplish that by using just things that I had on hand, laying around my home place. It worked out pretty good. I want to show you what I done did. I had a whole bunch of T-posts laying around, and I had a bunch of this old rabbit wire laying around. So I just made me pretty much just a gate right here on the side of my chicken pen, and it operates pretty good. I used a T-post to actually hold a piece of wood that I stapled a rabbit wire to. Got me a little gate. Here my girls, I know they're ready to come out. Come on. Let's go. All right, there we go. One comes out, the rest follow. So I created pretty much a nice sized chicken run. I never did the measurements on it. But here again, I have some Red X fencing that I had just laying around. I got a spool of it over there, and what I did was I tacked the Red X wire to the side of my pen, running on down over here, just connected it to another T-post that runs down the line my goat fence or my goat paddock. And I had a whole bunch of rabbit wire, and I attached it to the fence here, and now I have a pretty nice size run for my hens to get out and do their scratch thing and do their forage thing. I really like the idea of free ranging my hens, but unfortunately when I'm not home I can't do it because these chickens will get off into the garden, they'll scratch everything up and probably eat everything that's green in it. By creating this area, and it's a pretty nice size area, I want to say it's probably about 40 foot by maybe 25 by maybe another 30. So it's a nice size run for them to get out and do their thing. Now I'm sure probably somebody's going to say, and it's going to be a good thing to bring up, Dan, why didn't you use a T-post and put it in the middle of that fencing right there? Yeah, I probably could, but in my opinion, just as merely my opinion, I'm trying to hold in some chickens. It's not like I'm trying to hold in some goats or, a big animal that will actually rub up against the fence and stuff like that. All that is just a way to tell them, hey, that's as far as you go. There, and there. I spent pretty much yesterday, about an hour just standing here watching the chickens just to see what their intentions are, or if they're going to try to get out. I have a little gap, and I'll show it to you over there, that I may have to close up because I didn't put the T-post close enough to the actual chicken coop, but that's okay. And we'll see what happens. Thus far, they seem to be happy just to be able to get out. Them jokers living large, I'm here to tell you. Another one of the big reasons why I decided to get a bigger run for the hens is I've heard from several folks that live around me that have chickens, especially laying hens, and they actually keep fresh greens on their chickens year round. When I say greens, I have a friend that lives up the road. He plants about an acre of nothing but mustard greens, and he gives his chickens mustard greens every day, and his hens produce eggs year round. Now, I don't know if that's true or not. It probably does work for him because anybody around here can buy eggs from him year round. He always has eggs. So I figured, yeah, let me get my hands on some fresh grass as much as I can for as long as I can. They'll scratch this grass down to where it looks like that. That's okay. I'll just keep expanding if I have to. So this is one of the really big projects that I wanted to get done, and I'm glad I got done. It takes me time because, for one, I don't have time, and it's been so ungodly hot here in East Central Mississippi. It's almost impossible to do anything during the week. You have to wait on maybe the weekend to get out here and just do things because it's just so hot. You want to say hello? Little area right here. I don't think that they'll be able to get out right here, but I may just put me a piece of wall right here just to cover this hole up. They don't seem like they want to get out, so. So y'all, again, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Lord of mercy, I'm knocking down these little bitty small projects one by one when I can. Again, I hope everybody is having a Show Enough Good Wednesday and a safe one. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, like building chicken runs. Yeah. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference Show Enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody. You showing up, get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.